everyone. So today we are celebrating Diwali, the festival of lights. We all are the students of Unique Spoken English teaching. Here we are gathered to making a vlog video. Well, I Shomadas present a video and this is a candle in my hand. So let me introduce with others. Okay, so hey. Oh, hello. This is Rupsha. So Rupsha, what are you doing?
Lighting candles. Look, Diwali without candles is not possible. But we doesn't have managed any diya, so we have only candles. Candles will give lights.
Hey, me too. What
Happy
a pleasant
Diwali.
surprise. Happy Diwali.
Diwali vlogging? Yes. With me.
No, we are waiting for you. By the way, where are the others?
They're just coming.
Oh, okay. So tell me something about Diwali.
Definitely. We Indians celebrate many festivals, and Diwali is our one of them popular festival.
Yes, you are right. After Durga Puja, we really wait for these days.
Jayanti, what a pleasant surprise.
Happy
Welcome.
Diwali, Jayanti.
Happy Diwali to all of you. What are you saying? You are right. Durga Puja is our biggest festival. Kali Puja, outset by Bengalis. Kali Puja and Diwali almost same to this. In these days, house seems and shower with lights.
Yes, you are absolutely right. In this day, the all houses are very glittering. By the way, you all know me behind this festival. Yes, I heard from my grandfather, but I couldn't recall right now.
But we want to hear the story. Who can tell us?
Hey, I think I can.
Hey, Preeti.
Happy
Happy
Diwali.
Diwali.
Happy Diwali to all of you. You know the story? So what are you waiting for? Speak out. When Lord Rama was exiled in forest for 14 years, his brother and his wife Devi Sita also joined him. And 14 years passed, Rama execute Ravana too, and they had to return home, Ayodhya. So the people of Ayodhya welcomed their beloved king with diyas and lights. You are right.
Hey, Uma, what a pleasant surprise.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
all of you. When had you come? Just today morning. Ronnie told me that you were making a vlog video. That's why I couldn't restrict myself from this opportunity.
Yes, you have done the right thing.
You know, my grandma said we celebrate this festival to drive away all evil from our lives. The lighting of diyas, but now the lighting of candles, all evil forces will go from our lives. Lord Rama is the symbol of good and Ravana is the symbol of evil. It is win over the evil. Have anyone bought firecrackers? Ronnie told that he bring firecrackers, but where is Ronnie?
Coming. Sorry, I got a little bit late.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Happy
It's
Diwali,
okay.
Rani.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
It's okay. Where is the firecrackers?
No, these year crackers are totally prohibited. Government take strict step. I searched it, but I couldn't found in any store.
Well, this year we celebrate Diwali without bursting crackers. So there is no pollution and no sound pollution and no environment pollution.
Yes, you are right. Diwali is the festival of lights, not sound. Okay, so let's celebrate Diwali with lights, diyas and candles. No pollution, no sounds. Check pollution and save our earth.
Hello everyone, good evening. Today is Deepavali, the festival of lights. We are celebrating this day with pomp and enthusiasm. I too celebrating this day. I have a candle in my hand and it put here. forget, Bengalis are celebrating Kali Puja too. Hey Rani,
Happy Deepavali. Happy Deepavali, Devpriya.
what are you doing now?
I'm doing nothing.
You are looking very beautiful.
Thank you, Devpriya.
Welcome Rani.
Today almost all Hindus are celebrating Deepavali and we Bengalis are celebrating Kali Puja. You know, Devpriya, Bengalis can't stay without festival. As soon as Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja went, and now Kali Puja and Deepavali. In Deepavali, diyas and candles make place bright. Let lighted diyas and candles are together. Thank you.
Together with Diwali, there are unintended increase in air pollution in the environment. Due to bursting of firecrackers, there is a huge pollution cause and which leads to bronchitis, vision impairment and deafness. Not only the people but some animals also suffered from this. Animals acts weirdly after hearing the sounds of the bursting crackers and this also cause harm to people. So this Diwali, please say no to crackers and celebrate Diwali with lights and diyas. Diwali is the festival of lights and diyas, not the festival of bursting crackers and harming our environment. So this Diwali, say no to crackers and celebrate Diwali with your friends, family and lighting up of as many as diyas. Happy Diwali and safe Diwali.
So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video then like, share and subscribe our ma'am's channel, The Unique Spoken English Teaching. And thank you.
For
Happy
watching.
Diwali.